Welcome back, guys. In today's tutorial video, I will talk about how to order on Lazada step by step. So, enter your Lazada on your device. If you use on your handphone, you can also go directly to Lazada application. Okay, so here is Lazada website. And then if you want to sign into your account, I already have my account, so just click login. I'm already signing my account here. So what we have to do next is what product that we want to purchase, we need to find, right? So I just search household products. So a larger household item will appear on your screen. Lazada have a wide range of variety to choose, and also there's a lot of sellers, so you need to careful scammers, also fake product. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this one. You can choose your colors and quantity here if you want 18 cm or not. If you want 22 cm, you can choose the price. Vary depend on your size. So if you want one or two, you can check your quantity from here. Okay. So and then if you're sure to buy this one, just click buy one and then go to your cards right now. So here, your names, your phone numbers, and your delivery address. And then what you're gonna see is what payment you want to use. So Lazada offer a larger payment option. If you want to use Lazada Wallet or not, Visa cards or credit cards, whatever. And if you live in Thailand, you can use cash on delivery, bank transfer, and also prompt pay method. So for me, I just choose cash on delivery. A wide range of payment are offered on Amazon, so it's really convenient. Okay, and then if you're sure to order this one, what you have to do is just place order now, and this is how to order on Amazon, guys. It's quite simple. You just need to uh, search a product that you want to buy and just need to check out like other kinds of shopping application. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much, guys. See you in another one.